Welcome back to Agent versus App. This is day 13 of our 30-day AI testing challenge. Every day we test AI agents on real consumer and enterprise apps. Today we are measuring the performance of the IKEA app on a real Samsung Galaxy S25. We start the launch measurement. You'll notice the app relaunches a few times. That's intentional. It's capturing cold, warm, and hot start timings in the background. Location permission appears. Permission dialogs can cause frame drops or UI pauses. We allow location access. Select Singapore. Choose a store. Each tap triggers backend calls. Now we search for sofa. Autocomplete loads. Results populate. Images render. Scrolling begins. Search and listing pages are where most retail apps struggle. Heavy assets, dynamic pricing, multiple API calls firing together. It feels responsive. But feel isn't data. We open a product. Large hero image, pricing badge. Variants? Call to action buttons. Product pages are performance pressure zones. If something's lagging, this is where users notice it. Now we tap add to cart. Confirmation modal appears. Recommendations load underneath. From a functional standpoint, everything works. But performance isn't about does it work. It's about how efficiently it works. Now we open the report. Here's what the real device captured. Launch timings, CPU and memory behavior, network latency, frame stability, Jank frames, response spikes. No crashes, no ANRs, but measurable UI jank. Network response variation, optimization opportunities. That's the difference between testing features and testing experience. Agent versus app. IKEA tested. Agent delivered. Which app should we put up next?